The 100% installation of the Sonnax Smart Tech Drum is one of the value-added quality improvements Jasper makes to the Chrysler 68 RFE. The overdrive friction plates originally used in the 68 RFE are some of the thinnest in the industry. These single-sided plates can slip, burn, and even warp over time due to the heavy torque load provided by the diesel engine. Jasper's 100% installation of the Sonnax Smart Tech Drum is the solution. This drum uses double-sided overdrive friction plates which can withstand a higher heat capacity, preventing the chance of heat-related friction plate warping. The drum also includes a larger piston surface area, resulting in a 16% increase in overdrive clutch torque capacity. The Sonnax Smart Tech Drum in Jasper's remanufactured 68 RFE is another way that we provide peace of mind for you and your customer.